so loud tonight. So I just got this 5-foot hose off of Amazon, like a garden hose extender almost. Or you could just simply use it as a shorter hose. So it is going to be a 5/8 inch by 5 foot. So let's open it up here. Show you what it looks like. There we go. So I'm going to hook it up to my hose here. I got this so I don't have to hold my watering can super high. I can put it on the ground and I'm not like straining to hold my bucket up like I usually do to get this up. Alright, so now it's on there tight. You can see it is fairly long. It is 5 foot. It touches the ground. Let's turn it on here real quick. There we go. It works perfectly. Now let's shut it off, and I'm going to grab my bucket. And I used to hold my bucket way up here, but now I can simply fill it pretty much all the way to the top because I don't have to strain myself to get that bucket all the way up there. So we're going to fill this up and then go water my garden. Super excited about this product. Definitely go check this out on Amazon.